If you're looking for a contemporary home with gorgeous mountain views and loads of natural light, this is it. Hi, I'm Alessa Fralingos at the Medrano Group with Home Smart Realty, and I have an amazing home to show you today. This stunning new construction was architecturally designed to maximise the large 16,000 square foot corner lot. As we enter through the 8-foot-high pivot door into the great room, we are immediately greeted with 15-foot soaring ceilings and views out to Camelback Mountain. The 24-foot sliding window system opens the space for a completely integrated indoor and outdoor entertainment experience. The covered patio brings much needed shade in the summer months, allowing you to relax by this resort-style yard all year long. It's a great place to watch the sunset over Camelback Mountain whilst enjoying the absolute quiet in this established neighbourhood. The 400 square foot barbecue area features an outdoor kitchen with a 42-inch 6-burner gas grill, sink and a complete beverage centre for those game nights or summer pool parties. The home itself offers a large custom-designed kitchen with decor appliances, including a 42-inch counter-depth fridge, tall wine chiller, chef's smart gas oven and a built-in coffee machine. For the entertainers in us, the service room offers additional space away from the kitchen with a wall oven, fridge and sink for convenient catering capabilities. The gorgeous window gallery leads to the primary suite with a home office that comes with a separate sliding door entry. The bedroom features a relaxing view of the yard and high vaulted ceilings. As you step into the primary bathroom, you would be forgiven for thinking you were in a luxury spa with a custom-built 84-inch vanity, stunning granite waterfall countertop, unique Venetian plaster wall and freestanding tub. The large walk-in closet has plenty of hanging space. This is a true split floor plan with the other 3 bedrooms on the opposite side of the home for that added privacy. Every facet of this home has been well thought out and executed with quality finishes. This is truly luxury living in a fantastic location close to Camelback Mountain with plenty of entertainment, shopping, dining and outdoor activities, only minutes away from your quiet private oasis. For more information or to schedule a private showing, please call me, Alessa Fralingos, on 480-282-2619. Cheerio!